Hello and welcome back to the Fellow Carer Kitchen with me, Mark Francis, your fellow carer. Today, our fellow carer Kasia is going to show us how to make these delicious shortbread biscuits, but be warned, they're dangerously tasty. For this, you'll need 100 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 150 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of caster sugar. All right, over to you, Kasia.
Hi guys, I'm going to use soft butter and sugar. So first I put it into a bowl. Mix it together. We are going to have all sugar in a butter. Okay, so it's done, and now we will mix bicarbonate of soda. I will mix it with the flour, okay, and we'll put it to the bowl and we'll mix it together. We are making the best, the easiest Scottish shortbread. You need only 4 ingredients, or even 3 if you have self-rising flour. I used plain flour and bicarbonate of soda, but you can also use self-rising flour. Okay, so all is ready. I will form bowl. Yeah. Okay. So that's, yeah. Yeah, so that's the bowl.
You're doing great, Kasia. So now Kasia's rolling the dough into 15 20-gram balls using the weighing scale, and she's placing 7 of them into the baking dish. I can't wait for you to see how these turn out because they are beautiful to look at and absolutely delicious.
What I'm going to do now is, by using spoon and fork, shape it a little bit, you know. So I press slightly each bowl. And I will use fork to make some pattern. Okay, so they're ready. Our oven is ready. We may pop it in. Okay, so they are ready. After 20 minutes, we take them out and leave to cool down. They look really good.
They certainly do, Kasia. These biscuits are sure to impress your friends, your family and your clients. So why not bake a batch today? Here are those ingredients. 100 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 150 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of caster sugar. Thanks again to Kasia for sharing that fantastic recipe. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To join the fellow carer family, hit the subscribe button and remember to click the notification bell so you don't miss our latest uploads. Well, that's it for now. This has been Mark Francis, your fellow carer, saying ciao for now.